conclusion we come to? What's the maskana? Mishnah says Kavod Rosh. So why did the Chacham have so much trouble to define? No, you're not right, I'm right. You're not right, I'm right. What bothered them? What bothered the Gemara? When the Mishnah says Kavod Rosh, maybe like Bernie said before, the words that were used at the time of the Mishnah, by the time it came to the Amoraim, maybe you said it, there are different meanings for different words, right? But, so what is the answer to this? There's a Mishnah, we talk Kavod Rosh. So what do we do? So therefore the Chofetz Chaim says you have to do all of these. Chofetz Chaim in Shmiras Halosh. So since the Gemara doesn't come to a conclusion, able to reject the others, you can't just reject. They're saying something. You have to Menikayim, Yira, and Begonim. So that's what Mishnah Berurah says in Shmiras Halosh. Asi Rashi here. B'chol eitzav yir mosa, in every sadness there's profit. Yishon amaretz atzma otzev. Yir lo yischar. And that's a very different Rashi. What's difficult here? When a person shows that he is otzev, for this you get schar. That's the way you should be. Marev doesn't mean you put on a face, you put on a mask. Marev doesn't mean he demonstrates by his being the way he should be. Avkabon October, Yosa Medai. More than you should. Venire pouring on. He's a free person. That's a very different Gemara. Why? Because the Gemara says further on, next up, that Shimon ben Yochai said in the next daf, Asa le'adam she'manes choik piv ba'odam hazeh. No? So that's Rashi says, he's very happy. We're not supposed to show yourself that happy. Al-Mabah is different. So there's a lot of problems in this Mishnah, in this Gemara. The conclusion you come to, because if you accept the word Eilah, means you're wrong, but I'm right. Or you're wrong, and I'm right. So this is where the Chofetz Chaim says, you can't reject any of them. That all of them are right. You have to, and this is what it means that Chasidim Rishonim, it took them a sho'achas to reconcile happiness, sadness, the proper proportion. This is what.
But it's funny, the Gemara doesn't ask "Mai Kavod Rosh." The Gemara isn't analyzing what it means. It's asking "Mina Hani Mili."
How do you know that you have to?
The Gemara knows what it is, and they're just looking for a source. It sounds like it's all the same.
Very good. That's a very good point. The Gemara accepted it, but how do you do it? Mimai. What does Mimai mean?
No, Mina Hani Mili just means what's the source? What's the makar? For
Kavod Rosh.
But we're not asking "Mai Kavod Rosh." That everybody knows what it is.
Nobody knows what it is.
But then they would have asked "Mai Kavod Rosh." The Gemara said had to ask "Mai Kavod Rosh."
So what did the Gemara the Tanoim?
I'm saying this is funny. So the Gemara here seems to be searching for different sources. You can't learn from Chana because she was special. You can't learn from David HaMelech, he was special. You can learn from a pasuk from Chel Dot Kodesh, Hadot Kodesh, but then it's machloket of whether you.
Which means that the Gemara accepts Kavod Rosh as a fact.
That's what it sounds like, yeah. So but then I agree with you, the psukim are very, very different.
Very different psukim.
They are, it's strange.
But by asking from where do you take this, it's a different way of asking so what does it mean?
Could be.
Where do you see Kavod Rosh? Where
I'll tell you what, we know what it
means.
We know what it doesn't mean. Laughing, joking, that we know. But what does it mean? Okay? The Kedushas Levi. Ani lefanecha. That's the whole problem here. Okay.
Thank you very much. אני חושב שהפירוש של
מה?
נראה לי שהמנה הנעימי מתייחס לחסידים הראשונים. מאיפה יודעים שהם היו שוהים שעה אחת? מחנה שהיא מרת נפש.
You mean it goes to the Rishonim? You mean that the Mishnah goes to the...
No, if you want to...
תומר, זה מידת חסידות.
כן, בדיוק.
The point is he's right. Menahan and then how do you know what?
How do you know what the חסידים ראשונים? דבר על החסידים ראשונים. זה מה שהוא מנסה.
Because the Kavod Rosh is obvious what it is. And it's also obvious what it is, because it says it's kavanah. So word you know.
Kavod Rosh, the Kav Rosh.
Actually, Chasidim Rishonim taught you something. What did it teach you? Kavanah. It's spent an hour how to get kavanah. So So that kavanah could mean whatever the Gemara says.
So in order to get covered rosh, you have to have kavanah.
Yeah.
Or are they really the same thing? So is covered rosh mean kavanah? Is that what he's saying? It's covered rosh. In other words, you're
Covered
standing...
rosh has to mean kavanah because the Mishnah wouldn't quote the Chassidim Roshayim. Or does the Chassidim Roshayim means you have to emulate them, you have to imitate them? Whatever different kind of people. And
So-
that the Mishnah wouldn't have used them. And the fact that the Mishnah refers to Chassidim Roshayim means you should be like them. But not everybody can be it. So at the very least do this.
So, but the question I have is, how does the whole thing starts with ein omdim elam mitov koved rosh. So what does it have to do with omdim? You have to have koved rosh. You have to have kavana. All of it. But what does that have to do with standing up? Why can't you have kavana and koved?
I'll tell you why.
By sitting.
Ein Amden, that's the way they daven.
Yeah.
Then say mispelled. Davening was started by a midah. Now that you're standing, now what do you have in mind? Derech Hagav, the teacher, you have to stand from it.
Stand. Yeah. Okay.
It's just a technical expression.
That's really the point of the mission, is to say that where you stand.